Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to SIM and Network to save time. This is where Oppo reports data. Once there, tap Data Usage to see the current total and the active SIM. Make sure your billing cycle matches your carrier's cycle because the numbers reflect the selected period. If the cycle is wrong, change it now so future readings are accurate. This first step establishes the baseline you'll use to track and control app consumption. Next, inspect per app consumption so you know who's using the most bytes. Tap App Data Usage and review the list sorted by usage. Switch between mobile and Wi-Fi views to compare. Look for apps with high background usage and long foreground sessions. Those are your main culprits. Once you identify them, tap an app to see details and the option to restrict background data or force stop. Make sure to note streaming, cloud, and social apps. They often dominate totals. Finally, set practical limits and alerts to avoid surprises. Enable the data warning or a hard limit in the data usage screen and choose a threshold that matches your plan. Turn on Data Saver to curb background transfer or restrict specific apps you flagged earlier. Reset the usage cycle on your billing date so readings stay meaningful. If numbers look off, toggle mobile data off and on, reboot the phone, and confirm carrier usage via your account as a troubleshooting tip if totals still seem incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.